Have you ever wondered what life looks like at its very first moments? Today, we're going on an incredible journey, one that few get to witness. We're going to watch the miracle of life unfold, cell by cell, over 72 hours, right under a microscope. This is the story of an embryo, from a single cell to a complex new beginning. It's a journey of hope, science, and the sheer power of life itself. So, get ready to be amazed. For millions of couples around the world, the dream of starting a family can feel like an impossible mountain to climb. The path of infertility is often a silent struggle, filled with emotional ups and downs, endless doctor's appointments, and the heartbreaking feeling that something so natural is just out of reach. It can be an isolating experience, a roller coaster of hope and disappointment. You see families growing all around you and you can't help but ask, why not me? This journey tests your strength, your relationship, and your spirit. It's a deeply personal battle fought with immense courage, often behind closed doors. The desire to hold your own child is one of the most powerful human emotions, and when that dream is challenged, it can feel like a part of your own future is missing. But in the face of this challenge, science offers a beacon of hope. This is where the magic of in vitro fertilization, or IVF, comes in. IVF isn't just a medical procedure. It's a bridge between hope and reality. It allows us to step into the earliest moments of life and give nature a helping hand. What we're about to witness is the heart of this process, the first 72 hours of an embryo's development, captured in a stunning time-lapse. This is where science and life intersect in the most beautiful way. We get to see the first division, the first dance of cells, the very blueprint of a new human being coming to life. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the unwavering desire to create a family. Alright, let's begin. What you're seeing now is day 0. This is the moment of fertilization. A single, carefully selected sperm has just met the egg. For the next several hours we wait. This is a crucial period where the genetic material from the sperm and egg must fuse together to create a unique, new set of DNA. This new single cell is called a zygote. It contains all the genetic information needed to create a new individual. It's the very first chapter of a new life story, a complete blueprint, all packed into a tiny microscopic sphere. The journey has officially begun. Now we're moving into day 1. Look closely. If fertilization was successful, we'll see the first most incredible event, cleavage. The single-celled zygote divides into 2 cells. This isn't just a simple split. It's a perfectly choreographed event. From 2, it will divide into 4. You're watching the very foundation of a new life being built, cell by cell. Each cell is called a blastomere, and at this stage, the embryo is still the same size as the original egg, just with more and more cells packed inside. Embryologists are watching this process carefully, looking for symmetrical division and healthy-looking cells. This first division is a major milestone and a very positive sign for the embryo's potential. Welcome to day 2. The pace of division is picking up. The embryo should now ideally be at the 4-cell stage in the morning and progress to the 8-cell stage by the end of the day. Notice how the cells are dividing. Are they even? Are they of similar size? These are the kinds of details embryologists assess. They're looking for signs of quality. A high-quality embryo at this stage will have evenly divided cells with minimal fragmentation, which are small bits of cytoplasm that break off during division. Every division is a new test, a new hurdle cleared on the path to becoming a viable embryo. It's absolutely mesmerizing to watch this tiny cluster of cells working so perfectly together, following a biological script written billions of years ago. We've arrived at day 3. This is a critical checkpoint. The embryo is now typically between 8 and 10 cells, and is entering a stage called compaction. This is where the cells start to press tightly together, forming a more compact ball. The boundaries between the cells become less distinct as they begin to communicate and work as a single unit. This is the embryo's first step towards specialization and forming more complex structures. Compaction is a fantastic sign of a healthy, robust embryo. It's preparing for the next major leap in its development. At this point, in some clinics, the best quality embryos might be chosen for transfer back to the mother's uterus. For others, the journey in the lab continues. So, what have we just witnessed? we've seen more than just cell division. We've watched the very first, most delicate steps of a new life. From a single cell to a compact ball of potential, this 72-hour time-lapse reveals the incredible hidden world of early human development. This process, happening in a lab, mirrors the one that happens naturally. But here, it provides a chance for those who have struggled to conceive. It's a powerful blend of hope, technology, and the fundamental force of life itself. Each dividing cell is a victory, a step closer to fulfilling the dream of parenthood. The resilience and perfection of this tiny embryo are truly awe-inspiring. This journey is a reminder that the path to creating a family can take many forms, and each one is beautiful and valid. For anyone watching this who is on their own fertility journey, please know you are not alone. There is a huge community of people who understand what you're going through. Resources like Resolve, the National Infertility Association, and other local support groups can provide community information and a listening ear. Remember to be kind to yourself and to reach out for support when you need it. If you are feeling overwhelmed, talking to a mental health professional who specializes in fertility can be incredibly helpful. Your strength and courage are immense. Thank you so much for joining me on this extraordinary microscopic adventure. It's a privilege to share these incredible moments with you. If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, please give this video a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to our channel for more amazing insights into the world of science and life. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. We love hearing from you, so please share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.